It is, and we can gather lots of cherries here.
Cherries! Papa, look what I can do with my slingshot.
Ah. Whoa! Piku hits a perfect shot, and then Tuki's fantastic catch.
Tuki, catch!
Oh.
Butterfly train in the forest. Zoo! Chicka 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 choo!
Piku, Tuki, be careful. Your train mustn't go too deep into the dense forest. Tuki, Piku, we're too far inside the forest.
Papa, are we lost? Lost?
Don't be silly. We'll find our way home in a jiffy. Huh? You two, let's look for the sun. That's how we'll find our way home.
Papa, look there! There's the sun! Look, I found it!
Very good, Piku. Yes, let's stand facing the sun with our hands stretched out, like this. It's morning now, so we're facing towards east. Behind us west, to the left north, and right south.
So facing east, behind us, west, left is north, and right, south.
Our house is to the south. So that means we have to go right. Come on.
Look, Tuki, your cherries. Maybe they dropped out of your pouch. Pick them up.
Huh? Oh, your cherries. You see, the sun helped us find our way home.
You found the way, Papa. You're the best.
Pitter-patter, plumpty, brum-brum, brimley. Hear the tale of a darling family. On a tiny island is a forest green. Deep in the green a house can be seen. In the little house live the 4 Pyaris. Here are their fun and amazing stories.
Hello, I'm Ma Pyari.
Pyari.